Whether you're a CNC programmer looking to see what integrated CAM can offer someone with your experience, or a designer or engineer searching for your complete machining solution, as an Inventor user, you all have one thing in common. You want a professional CAM solution providing you with all the tools you need to work the way you work. With Inventor HSM, CNC Programmers gets all the features and flexibility they expect from toolpath creation to post-processing. Inventor HSM allow Inventor users to create toolpath for all their 3 and 3+2 work with powerful technology such as 3D adaptive and the industry's most complete package of finishing toolpaths. Power users will be happy to know that HSM supports rest machining, user customizable tool libraries, and lets you create unlimited machining templates. Bottom line, Inventor HSM lets you manufacture the highest quality of parts in the shortest time possible. Inventor HSM includes a powerful and dynamic toolpath simulation so users can see what they'll be machining long before they post their files. Speaking of posts, Inventor HSM includes a post-processing system including a full library of edible post-processors for the industry's most popular machines. Inventor HSM also allows you to create graphical HTML setup sheets, including tooling data and toolpath statistics that helps machinists doing the setup and machining process. While CNC programmers appreciate the power and flexibility of Inventor HSM, designers and engineers appreciate the integration, especially the seamless workflow between design and toolpath creation. You never leave Inventor. Simply put, if you know Inventor, you know Inventor HSM.